in this question, we've got to show that 3 root 5 minus 2 over root 5 minus 1 is going to be 13 over 4 plus root 5 over 4. And again, we just can't put that in our calculator and get that answer out. We need to actually show. So, writing down the original question, that's going to be 3 root 5 minus 2 over root 5 minus 1. Now what you do, if we've got root 5 minus 1, what we need to do is rationalise the denominator by multiplying by root 5 plus 1. Now if you multiply the denominator by root 5 plus 1, you must also do the same to the numerator. This is called rationalising the denominator. So that becomes 3 root 5 times root 5 plus 1, and then minus 2 times root 5 plus 1. Now for the denominator, we use the idea that a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So this now becomes 5 squared, or take the root 5 of it, or root 5 squared, and then minus 1 squared. So basically we've just applied the difference of two squares to this idea here. Okay, multiplying out, now need to remember that root a times root a, i.e. root 5 times root 5, is the same as doing root a times root a, which is the same as root a squared. Now if you square something and take the square root, you get back to the same thing. So here we're just going to get 3 times 5, and then we're going to get 3 root 5 times 1, which gives me 3 root 5, minus 2 times root 5, which gives me minus 2 root 5, and then minus 2 times plus 1 gives me minus 2. Be careful of the sign. Square rooting and squaring, we're just going to get 5, and then 1 squared is 1, so we get 5 minus 1 in the denominator. So here we now get 15. Now 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5 just gives me 1 lot of root 5, which we just write as root 5. Still got the minus 2. 5 minus 1 gives me 4. That's good because I was looking to get a denominator of 4. And then 15 minus 2 gives me 13 plus root 5 over 4. Now because this is a common denominator, we can now split it up to 13 over 4 plus root 5 over 4 as required. So you need to show you're working in order to get the marks. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.